Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today we're going to open up another Shadow High doll. I just wanted to point out a couple things. I'm sure you all have caught it all, but just in case. Rainbow High is all about the color. The more color, the better. The hair matches the outfits, and it's just color, and I absolutely love it. And then we have the Shadow High that came along, and they are, what do you call it, grayscale? And Sunny Madison has a twin sister. Notice anything about the boxes? They are mirror images. I love that the Shadow Highs are different than the Rainbow Highs. You can take a look at how close these dolls are. I'm pretty sure they used the same mold for the Luna Madison as they did Sunny. Moon and sun, how cool is that? So we're gonna open up this girl and let you get a closer look. We just got her out of the box. I'm gonna run a brush through her hair, her beautiful silver hair. It is gray. I'm not so sure there's not a little bit of blue in that. To enhance it. It's silver and gray, and it's gorgeous. There are a lot of songs about a silver moon, and I think that might be the play on this doll. She is absolutely stunning. I cannot get over. Look at this outfit. I sew for dolls. This is incredible. This outfit is one piece, and there are shorts. It's incredible. And it is like, I'm going to describe it as a thin pleather that had to be put in just right so that when you took your finger, you could fold it down. Not easy to do in doll scale. It has this adorable bustier type top to the dress. It is Velcroed. Tiny, tiny ribbon in silver, like I said, silver moon. And a little, I should put my glasses on. I think, yep, SH. They all have that SH. Look at this doll's eyes. Oh my God. And her earrings are so pretty. She has the Sunny Madison hairdo, the little space buns. The boots are over silver stockings, knee-high stockings. They're like, they're not, I guess they are a sock, but it's very thin. It's very pretty. I absolutely love the cage boots. She has fingerless gloves with the same pointed, sharp fingernails in silver on her gray, dark gray body. She is absolutely stunning. I'm not taking these out of the box, but I do. I'm telling you, the clothing is, it is incredibly made. I don't know what else to say. Amazing, incredible, unbelievably made. And then the shoes. If you know the price of doll shoes and doll clothing, one outfit of these Shadow Highs is worth the cost for the doll and everything. She also comes with a comb and a stand. I prefer Darren's stands. I like them better. Their arms don't stick out like they do with the Rainbow High stands. When you see these dolls in the boxes, you are not going to believe your eyes at how much better they look than they do in photos and on videos. When you pull them out of the box, you're going to be surprised how much nicer this grayscale is once it's out of the box. I don't know what it is. I really don't. But it is absolutely true. These dolls especially are so much better out of the box. It's incredible. I think her hair could use a little spa. I'm not going to do it right now. I'm going to give it a day. Sometimes it, I don't know, kind of self-corrects. I've noticed that in Blythe's. Not always, but sometimes. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please leave a like. Let me know what you think about this girl and how the sunny ties into it. And subscribe.